Hello, welcome to Tech Talk with Endurance. We're going to be looking at malicious software, shortly called malware. These are codes or software that runs through network that affects individual or people's laptop. They are normally put together by hackers in order to spy into one's laptop, spool out information, or for other purposes. Examples of such malwares are the virus, the Trojan horse. But as an individual, it is one of your sole responsibilities to protect your laptop from such an attack. Now, I'm going to run you through a few steps that will enable you to be able to detect if there is a malicious software running in your system and how to subsequently delete such software if there is any. What you just need to do is to press your Windows and arrow key to open the run command, type in MRT and click OK. Allow it to run. Click on yes. Then you select next. It will present you with three options. One, quick scan. Scans area of the system most likely to contain malicious software. If malicious software is found, you may be prompted to run a full scan. The second option is to full scan, scan the entire system. Note that this can take up to several hours on some computers. Customized scan. In addition to a quick scan, the tool will also scan the content of a user-specific folders. That is all the folders that you have in your system. But the recommended one that I'm going to personally recommend to you is to use the first option, which is the quick scan. Now, when after scanning, after applying the option of the quick scan, if there is any malicious software detected, then you can now go back and run a full scan. Now, you choose quick scan, click on next, and automatically the system will start scanning. You see the system running through various files, documents, pathways, programs, applications, as the case may be. The system will continue to run through this whole document in a very quick manner such that your time is preserved. Then at the end of this process, if there is any malicious software that is detected, the system will flag it. Then you select such software and click on remove. So while the system is running, let's hold on a bit. Like I said, the quick scan takes some time, but the full scan takes a longer time that might even span into hours because it's going to run through your file, your applications, even the content folder that you have in your system. That is the reason why it is highly recommended that you use the half scan first or the quick scan first, such that it quickly scan through your system and flag any malicious software. Even so, in some cases, you also recommend that you run a full scan on your system. But the first option or the first thing to do is to run the quick scan. Now look at the system. The quick scan is still running. It's going to run, then this green bar is going to move to this extent while it's running through each of the files. Then it's going to flag if there's any affected files, presence of software, as the case may be. Then you follow the next prompt or the next option, which is to select such malicious software or files and subsequently delete it. So let's give it few time or few moments while it runs through this process. As you can see, the whole process is concluded. The scanning took a while, it took over 20 minutes. For the quick scan, it went through the entire folders in the laptop, the files, the applications, the OS, and so on and so forth. Now, this is the message that was displayed. Scan result. No malicious software was detected. View details result of the scan. If you want to view details result of the scan, you can click on this link. Otherwise, you click on finish. So when you click on finish, let's say you want to click details of the results. If you really want to see, it's going to give you the entire files that was scanned with the results. You can see for this file, no infected, not infected, sorry, not infected, not infected, not infected, not. These are the volumes of files, over 6,000 files that was scanned with the result not infected. So this is the result of the scan. You click on OK. Then the next thing, you click on Finish. And if it were to be otherwise, if a malicious software was detected, it will flag it and you will select the malicious software, then click on remove. When you do that, it pulls out the malicious software and asks you to do a full scan. Then you restart your system, you are good to go. So this is how you scan your system for a malicious software, otherwise called malware. Stay tuned, click on the subscribe button to get more notifications for our next content. Stay tuned as we furnish with more content. Thank you.